So remember how I said my next video was gonna be a banger? Hey guys, how's it going? This is Hassan from Hashtag, and today I'm gonna bring you the unboxing of the brand new Samsung Galaxy S10. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. So starting off with the box design is pretty simple. Like the usual, Samsung really doesn't go extravagant with their box design. However, this year the box is a clamshell type. So let's just get into it. They have simplified the unboxing, I guess, experience, you could say. So let's lift the clamshell up to first up reveal the device itself, and obviously the user manual booklets that are enclosed in this little box, and you have the SIM ejection tool right on top of it as well. So here you have the manual, something about the ultrasonic fingerprint that we will get to later, the fingerprint scanner. So yeah, let's go to the device itself. First up we have the device. Let's set it to the side for the time being and see the contents of the box itself. So first up we have the Samsung wall charger, the fast charger, standard stuff. Then we have the USB type C to type A adapter, and also next up you have in the box obviously the USB cable that you'll connect to your wall adapter to charge your device. This device does charge pretty quickly, but more on that in probably a future video. And then we have the 100 kg headphones that you get free in the box, and they are decent quality, I'd say, nothing too special. So yeah, and lastly you have the ear tips for the AKG headphones. So now with all that done, let's move on to the device. But first things first, let's get rid of the peel on the back of the device. Yeah, with that out of the way, let's take a look at the design. The design is classic Samsung, the clamshell metal and glass. So when it comes to internals, the S10 Plus is an absolute beast. It has the latest and greatest Snapdragon 855, and it comes with 6.4-inch quad HD plus display. That is a beautiful display. 4100 mAh battery, 8 gigs or 12 gigs of RAM, up to a terabyte of storage, and obviously the front dual cameras along with the triple cameras setups on the back. More on that in a future video. Well, showing you around the device, on the right it has the power button, on the back obviously that triple camera arrangement, on the left the Bixby button and the volume rocker, and on the top it has the SIM tray as well as the microphone, and up front obviously it has that gorgeous display. Now let's set up the brand new ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and this scanner scans your fingerprint quite well, I would say, but it does take a little bit longer than conventional Samsung fingerprint scanners, and obviously that's because this is first generation technology, at least like in terms of the implementation of the under glass fingerprint scanner. This isn't an optical one, this is an ultrasonic one, so it takes a bit longer to set up, but I guess that's for the better somehow, because the scanner scans your finger quite quickly and the device unlocks without much hassle. Now let's compare it to the last year's Samsung Galaxy S9. Of course it's quite similar in design, but obviously on the back now it has triple cameras, the fingerprint scanner is gone from the back, and the glass reflects light a bit differently, in addition to that whole punch cut out camera, and of course the under glass fingerprint scanner and the specs. So guys, that was the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus unboxing. I hope you liked this video. Special thanks to my cousin Ali Hassan Kazmi. He collaborated with me on this video. You can go check his channel out. I know you guys are quite confused, like what is this, a video out of nowhere. Just to clarify, I'm not back for good. I just wanted to put this one-off video out for the 3 of you that are interested, but I will come back for good after 2 months when my exams are over. Peace out guys.